Welcome back to my channel. In this Excel series, we are going to learn if function in Excel and also nested if function. We are going to build a simple student result system. Excel will automatically decide whether the student pass or fail based on the pass mark. By the end of this video, you understand the if function, how it works, and how to use it in real scenario. And this is the nested if exercise. So let's proceed. So now the problem is we want Excel to solve if a student score is 50 or more, the student should be passed. But if the score is less than 50, the student result should be failed. So instead of us doing it manually, we want Excel to do it for us automatically. So let's understand if function. So this is the logic test. The logic test is the condition, and the value if true means if the condition is true, it should return the first result, and the value if false simply means if the result is false, it should return false. This is the second condition. So let's proceed. So pick our first score, which is B2, if it's greater than or equals to our 50, which is our pass mark. Then our value, if our score is greater than or equals to our pass mark, should be pass, S should be fail. Then enter. Boom. So our score is greater than the pass mark, and the condition choose pass. So we notice that this is true, so we pick the first condition. So for us to complete the rest, we just drop it down. Boom, it works. So this is the first row. We'll notice that we have pass here, and here we'll notice that we have fail here because our score is less than the pass mark. So that's why we have fail here. But if we change it here to something like 72, boom, we'll notice that we have pass here. So this is how if condition work. So if the score is greater than or equals to the pass mark, Excel will write pass. So this is the pass. But if this condition is less than the pass mark, Excel will write fail. Now let's make this result professionally and nice. So let's go to our conditional formatting. We'll go to the cell rule. Then let's check the text that contain true. That is our pass. So our row that contain pass should be green. Boom, it works. What about our row that contain fail? Our row that contain fail should be red. Boom, it works. So this is how to format our result. And what we did, we were able to create a student data set, and we were able to use the if function to check the score, and Excel automatically calculates the result. This is how if automated decision in Excel. We'll be using our nested if function. Okay, yeah, let's make this loan approval system more advanced. We'll be using our customer name, credit score, mini score, and loan status. So bank don't just approve or reject loan, they also give tier based on credit score. So here is our condition that we'll be using. If the credit score is 750 or higher, it should be premium approved. But if the credit score is 650 to 749, it should be standard approved. And if this credit score is below 650, it should be what? It should be rejected. So this is the condition that we'll be using in our nested if function to get our loan status. So once a nested if function in Excel to use a nested if function in Excel to do it automatically. So let's proceed and write the condition formula. So if our B2 is greater than or equals to 750 should be premium approved. As if RB2 is greater than or equals to 650, it should be standard approved. S should be rejected. Now close it, also close it. Then you press your enter. Boom, it works. So our loan status is standard approved. That means the range here, that means our credit score is between 650 to 749. So this is standard approved. So let's drop our value down. Boom, it works. So we have standard approved, rejected. That is the credit score here is below 650. We notice here we have 610 and the score here is below 650. That's why we have rejected here. But here we have standard approved. That is between 650 to 749. So that's why we have our standard approved. So this is how our nested if condition work. So the way it works is that if it check if this credit score is 750 or more, then it will be, if it's true, it should be what? It should be premium approved. And S, if it's false, you should move to the second if. You should move towards the second if condition. Then check if the score is 650 or more. And if it's true, it should what? It should give us standard approved. And if it's false, it should return rejected. So this is called nested if because we have one if inside another if. This is very powerful for e-business decision. So let us check for, let's see if we can have premium approved. Let's see, maybe like we have like, boom, it worked. Here we have premium approved. So this is how nested if condition work. So in today's video, we upgraded our loan approved system using nested if, and now it is not only approve or reject but also assign tire based on credit score. We're able to assign tire based on the credit score. And remember, mastering nested if is a key step towards building a professional Excel model. So thank you so much. If you know you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next episode.